Question 5. The late photographer Jim Marshall is regarded as one of the most celebrated photographers of the 20th century. He holds the distinction of being the first and only photographer to be presented with the Grammy Trustees Award. He started as a professional photographer in 1959. He was given unrivaled access to rock's biggest artists, including the Rolling Stones, Bob Dylan, and Ray Charles. He was the only photographer granted backstage access for the Beatles' final full concert, and also shot the Rolling Stones on their historic 1972 tour. He formed special bonds with the artists he worked with, and those relationships helped him capture some of his most vivid and iconic imagery. Over a 50-year career, the photographs he took appeared on more than 500 album covers. He was passionate about his work up until the end. "I have no kids," he used to say. "My photographs are my children."